Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the action of nitric acid on metals. Okay, let us see the some reactions, that is primary reactions, secondary reactions and tertiary reaction. First let us see the primary reaction. Metal nitrate is formed with the release of nascent hydrogen. So metal is reacted with nitric acid, it gives metal nitrate and nascent hydrogen. Let us see the equation. M represent metal that is reacted with nitric acid HNO3. It gives metal nitrate that is MHNO3 MNO3 plus nascent hydrogen is released. And next one is secondary reaction. Here nascent hydrogen produces the reduction products of nitric acid. So everything is nitric acid that is reacted with nascent hydrogen. It gives nitrous acid, hydroxylamine, ammonia and hyponitrous acid. Okay, let us see the equation. Nitric acid that is reacted with hydrogen, nascent hydrogen. It gives nitrous acid HNO2 plus H2O. And second one same HNO3 that is reacted with nascent hydrogen. It gives hydroxylamine. The formula for hydroxylamine is NH2OH. So NH2OH plus H2O. And next one same thing, nitric acid is reacted with hydrogen. So it gives ammonia that is NH3 plus H2O. And next one nitric acid is reacted with nascent hydrogen. It gives hyponitrous acid that is H2N2O2 plus H2O. So here one time of water molecules, here 2 times of water molecules, 3 times of water molecules, 4 times of water molecules is formed. So here 2 times of hydrogen, 6 times of hydrogen, 8 times of hydrogen and here also 8 times of hydrogen. So here 2 times of HNO3 is reacted. Now equation is balanced. And next one is tertiary reaction. Here the secondary products either decompose or react to give final products. So what are the secondary products? Nitrous acid, hyponitrous acid, these are the secondary products. So here it is decomposition of the secondary. The first one nitrous acid is decomposed and converted into nitric acid, nitric oxide and water molecules. Next one nitrous acid is composed and converted into dinitrogen trioxide and water molecules. Next one hyponitrous acid, it is converted into nitrous oxide and water molecules. Okay, let us see the equation. Here HNO2 is taken. It decomposed and converted into nitric acid, that is HNO3 plus NO nitric oxide plus H2O water molecule is formed. Okay, how is balanced this equation? So here I take 3 times of hydrogen because here 1 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen. So 3 times of hydrogen. So now nitrogen is here 3 times, but nitrogen here only 2 times. So here 2 times means nitrogen 3 times and oxygen 3, 4, 5, 6. So here also oxygen is 6 times. And next one 2 times of nitrous acid is taken, that is HNO2. It gives dinitrogen trioxide. So dinitrogen means di represent 2. So dinitrogen trioxide plus water molecule is formed. So dinitrogen trioxide water molecule. So equation is balanced and not 2 times hydrogen, here also 2 times nitrogen, 2 times here also nitrogen 2 times. Oxygen 2 2s are 4, so here also 3 plus 1 4 times. And next one is hyponitrous acid is taken, that is H2N2O2. So hyponitrous acid, it gives what are the compound, that is N2O. And another one is what is remaining. So N2O is released and what is remaining? Here hydrogen H2 and here oxygen molecules, only 1 oxygen is remaining. So 1 oxygen is formed. Okay, so that's all the equation. And next one is action of secondary products. So here nitrous acid is reacted with ammonia. It gives nitrogen and water molecules. And nitrous acid is reacted with hydroxylamine. It gives N2O. So N2O means that is nitrous oxide and water molecules. And nitrous acid is reacted with nitric acid. It gives nitrogen dioxide, and another one is water molecule. Okay, let us see the equation. Nitrous acid, that is HNO2. So first one, it is reacted with ammonia. And next one, same nitrous acid, that is HNO2, that is reacted with hydroxylamine. The formula for hydroxylamine is NH2OH. Okay. And then next one, nitrous acid, HNO2. So that is reacted with nitric acid, that is HNO3. Okay. What are the product is formed here? The first product is nitrogen plus water molecule. And then second product is nitrous oxide, N2O, and water molecules. And third one is NO2 and water molecules. How is balanced the equation? Here nitrogen 2 times, here also nitrogen 2 times. But hydrogen here 3 plus 1 4, here hydrogen is only 2 times, so here I take 2. So 2 2s are 4, so here also 4 times of hydrogen, and oxygen is 2 times, so here also oxygen is 2 times. And next equation is here HNO2 and hydroxylamine. So here N 2 times. So equation N is 2 times. And hydrogen here 2 times. But here hydrogen 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So here 2 times means 2 2s are 4. And oxygen molecules 2 plus 1 3. So here also 2 and 1 3. Okay. And then next one, nitrous acid is reacted with nitric acid. It gives nitrogen dioxide and water molecules. Okay, how is balanced the equation? Nitrogen here 2 times, but here nitrogen only 1 time. So 2 times of nitrogen. And oxygen molecules 2 plus 3 5 times. So here 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 times. And hydrogen here 2 times. So here also hydrogen is 2 times. So equation is balanced. And then next one is some examples. Copper reacts with nitric acid in the following manner. Okay, let us see the equation. Okay, see this equation. First copper, that is reacted with nitric acid. It gives copper nitrate and 6 times of hydrogen. Okay, so here copper 3 times, so here also copper 3 times, and nitrate NO3 nitrogen 6 times. So here nitrogen 2 3s are 6, and oxygen 6 3s are 18. So here oxygen 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. And hydrogen molecule 6 times, so here also hydrogen is 6 times. So first equation is balanced equation. And then see the second equation. So here 6 times of hydrogen plus 3 times of hydrogen, totally 9 times of hydrogen. So here 3 2s are 6 plus 3 9 times. And next one, nitrogen 3 times, so here also nitrogen 3 times. And oxygen molecules, here 3 2s are 6 and 3 9, so here 3 3s are 9. So first second equation also balanced. And then see the next one, 3 times of HNO2, it gives nitric acid and NO plus H2O. Okay, so here hydrogen 3 times, so here hydrogen 1 2 3 3 times, and nitrogen here 3 times, so here also nitrogen 1 plus 2 3 times. And oxygen 3 2s are 6, so here 3 4 5 and 6. So 3 equations are balanced equation only. Okay, so now overall reaction. So overall reaction means same term present in opposite side means we cancel that one. Same term present in same side means we add the terms. So add that compound or element. Okay, see here. So now overall reaction. Here 3 times of copper, so no copper is present in reactant side, and opposite side also, product side also no copper is present, so no need to cancel that term. Okay, here HNO3, here also HNO3, so totally 9 times of HNO3 is present. But here totally only 1 time of HNO3 is present, so cancel this 1 time of HNO3, so remaining HNO3 is 8 times. Okay. And next one, hydrogen term. So here 6 times of hydrogen and here also 6 times of hydrogen. That is cancelled. And next one, here 3 times of HNO2 and here also 3 times of HNO2. So this term also cancelled. So what is remaining here? So here 3 times of copper plus 8 times of HNO3 gives 3 times of copper nitrate Cu NO3 twice plus 3 times of H2O plus H2O, so totally 4 times of H2O. So plus 4 times of H2O plus 2 times of NO. So this is the balanced equation. And next one is the concentrated acid has a tendency to form nitrogen dioxide. So same equation. So copper is reacted with nitric acid. So here 1 time of copper is reacted with 4 times of nitric acid. It gives copper nitrate CuNO3 twice plus nitrogen dioxide and water molecules is formed. Okay. So copper, same copper is reacted with nitric acid. So here 4 times of nitric acid is taken. So here also copper nitrate is formed, that is CuNO3 twice plus water molecules H2O and another compound. So here NO. So here instead of NO here form nitrogen dioxide, that is NO2. Okay, how is balanced the equation? Here 4 times of nitrogen but here 2 times. So remaining is 2 times of nitrogen. Copper 1 time. Here also copper 1 time, hydrogen 4 times. So here hydrogen is 2, only 2 times. So 2 times means 2 2s are 4. Oxygen 4 3s are 12. Here 3 2s are 6 and 2 8. Here 4 times. So totally 12 times. So equation is balanced. And then next one is magnesium reacts with nitric acid in the following way. Okay, let us see the equations. See the first equation. Magnesium is reacted with nitric acid. It gives magnesium nitrate and 8 times of hydrogen. Okay, so here magnesium 4 times. So here also magnesium 4 times. Hydrogen 8 times. So here hydrogen 8 times. Nitrogen 8 times. So here 2 4s are 8. And oxygen 8 3s are 24. Here 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So equation is balanced. And then see the second equation. Nitric acid is reacted with 8 times of nascent hydrogen. It gives ammonia and 3 times of water molecules. Okay, how is balanced the equation? Here hydrogen 9 times. So here hydrogen 3, 3 2s are 6, 9 times. Nitrogen 1, here also nitrogen 1 time. Oxygen 3 times. So here also oxygen is 3 times. And next one is nitric acid is reacted with ammonia. It gives ammonium nitrate. So here hydrogen totally 4 times. So here also 4 times. Nitrogen 2 times. So here also nitrogen 2 times. And oxygen 3 times. So here also oxygen is 3 times. So all the 3 equations are balanced. And next one is overall reactions. So overall reaction means add these 3 equations. Opposite side, same term present in opposite side means cancel that one. Same term present in same side means add that one. So here that is overall reaction. Okay, 4 times of Mg. So here no Mg is present. So here also not have 4 times of Mg. So no need to cancel. Here 8 times of HNO3. Here one HNO3. So here one HNO3. So totally 8, 9, 10 times of HNO3 is present here. 10 times of HNO3. But here totally how many HNO3 is present? No HNO3 is present here. Okay. And then next one 8 time of hydrogen. So here also 8 time of hydrogen. So 8 time of hydrogen, 8 time of hydrogen is cancelled. And next one ammonia. Here 1 time of ammonia. So here also 1 time of ammonia is present. So ammonia is cancelled. Okay. So all the terms are cancelled. So what is remaining here? 4 times of Mg plus 10 times of HNO3 gives 4 times of MgNO3 twice plus 3 times of H2O plus NH4NO3. So this is the overall reaction. And next one is, if the acid is diluted, we get N2O. So instead of NH4NO3, so we get N2O. So here same reaction only. So again 4 times of Mg plus 10 times of HNO3. So here, so this acid is very diluted means what are the product is formed? So N2O is formed. Okay. So 4 times of Mg NO3 twice plus N2O plus H2O. So here 5 times of H2O is formed. Okay, so now the equation is balanced. And next one is uses of nitric acid. Nitric acid is used as a oxidizing agent and in the preparation of aqua regia. Salts of nitric acid are used in photography, that is AgNO3, and gunpowder for firearms, that is NaNO3. That's all for action of nitric acid on metals. Thank you, students.